Poor man's comfort food, Aldi edition. Rent the cart. Ground turkey, it's special, $2.49. Frozen tots, $3.09. Cheddar, $2.95. Sour cream, $1.79. Green chilies, 85 cents. Taco sauce, 89 cents. Man, the black olives are pricey today. $1.09. Tomatoes, $2.47. Shreddy Letty. It's corn. I only need the red one, but we're gonna get all three for now. This dish is a turkey taco tot casserole. World famous by America's Dad, Tim Waltz. No, for real. I found this recipe online. Saute, 15 minutes. I wish you could smell how good this is right now. Next, let's take this turkey to Brown Town. Chili powder, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Mix them up like so. Half of it goes on the turkey. We're gonna save half for later. Add your saute mix back. The big lump with knobs go in. Taco sauce. 2 cups of cheese. Chilies and olives. And all of the sour cream. Mix it, mix. In you go. Make it look pretty. This is important. Needs more cheese. It's hard work, but at least it's honest work. We're going for perfection here. That seasoning I told you to save, this is what we're using it for. Oh, this thing is massive. We're going in for 45 minutes. Not gonna lie, this is looking fantastic. I mean, it came out a little but it looks good. Especially after you add lettuce and some tomatoes to it too. Timmy, this tastes like Midwest America.